The Blueprint for Sharing by Benjamin Krem's Master. A Master Speaks, Volume 2, page 205. When men consider the principle of sharing, they almost always see it in personal terms. They visualize a situation in which they, personally, will be expected to give away considerable sums of money to far-off people whom they do not know nor care to know. In fact, the principle of sharing can only be organized as a global process. There are several ways in which this could be achieved, either partially or totally. We, your elder brothers, consider that the following is the most practical, the simplest, and fairest method of all, one which, if adopted, would satisfy the greatest number. Each nation, we suggest, would be asked to make an inventory of all their resources and needs, what they produce themselves and what they are obliged to import. Then each nation would be asked to put into a common pool that which they have in excess of their needs, forming a huge international resource from which all could draw. Naturally, the large developed nations would give a greater amount, but all would donate their unneeded surplus. This scheme appeals to us for its simplicity and fairness. It would, of course, take time to implement, but we foresee a time when it can be accomplished. Many are the trained organizers and administrators for whom this work would provide a welcomed service to the world. All would proceed under the aegis of a master, or at least a third-degree initiate, to safeguard the trust of all. Thus, at a stroke, the curse of poverty and want would be ended. The hearts and lives of countless millions would be lifted into joy, and those who shared for the first time would find a happiness deep and satisfying, which perhaps they were afraid to know. In this way only would be engendered the trust essential for the ending of war and terrorism. Without such trust, there will never be peace. Without peace, the future for mankind would be bleak indeed. Therefore, some form of sharing is essential if we are to survive. When the majority of men realize this, the major problems of the world can be solved. The principle of sharing is beginning to enter the minds of many groups throughout the world. Bit by bit, men inch their way to this conclusion. Maitreya reminds all who hear him that sharing alone provides the solution to our troubles. Thus, as the weeks and months go by, men can be seen to grapple with their problems and more find sharing to be the key